How's my hair? My hair okay? I think the glasses are a good look. Maybe a shave though would be good. Hey, I wanted to talk a little bit about units of slope. Sometimes that may seem a bit confusing, but um, when we are talking about functions that turn some some x unit into some sort of y unit, it's important to understand units of slope. We know that slope is rise over run, kind of that's what everybody remembers, or the change in y over the change in x. But with all these functions, when we talk about units of slope, we're going to talk about the units of the y coordinates and the units of the x coordinates. So, for example, in looking at this graph here, I have number of servings, right? So this is 2 servings of chicken or pork, or 4 servings or 6 or 8 servings of pork is my x coordinate, and grams of greenhouse gases, kilograms of greenhouse gases, is my y coordinate. Here's my function for chicken, right? We talked about this in the spreadsheet video, that it's 5.7 uh, kilograms of CO2 for every gram of for every serving of chicken, right? And so here are my x coordinates, servings and kilograms, right? And the way that this works is it takes my x coordinates, serving, and it converts it to kilograms by using that slope. Where, let's see if I can get this to work. These essentially cross each other off, right, and reduce, and you're left with just these kilograms. Okay, and we can always figure out the units of slope um, simply by um, simply by looking at the x and y axes and saying servings goes on the bottom and kilograms goes on the top, or by looking at the x and y coordinates. So if I look at this graph, right, I can see that I have my x units are days and my y units are degrees in Fahrenheit. So my units of slope are going to be degrees in Fahrenheit per day. Per day. Now, or in this graph, I don't know what it has to do with. I just randomly grabbed it off, but this is increase or decrease in animals per year, and that per is always that division bar, right? Is the per. See if I can write that. That'll be pretty slick here. Per. Um, let's go down one more time. Facts I got correct. So facts is my y-axis per day. So it would be facts per day would be those units, and I think that's about it. So in review, right? To find the units of slope, you just take the y units and put them over whatever the x units are. For example, here kilograms of CO2 or kilograms of greenhouse gases per serving of chicken. Thank you very much.